is to change both the perception of South Africans abroad by South Africans in South Africa, and the perception of South Africa in South Africans abroad. So I think South Africans abroad actually is one of the greatest export and greatest assets that the country has. If we do this right and we create the right opportunities, I think what South Africans abroad would do for South Africa is insane. I actually literally just before this got off a call with a guy who left South Africa in 1990. He's been in the US for 35 years.
Wow.
And he still says every day when he wakes up,
yes,
the first thing that enters his mind is he wish he was in Cape Town.
Yeah, I'm getting chills.
That's it.